Is there a particular image that comes to mind when you hear about autonomous cars? An automobile that can park itself if the driver lets go of the wheel is a possibility. Perhaps it's more like a futuristic den where you can relax with a movie and let the auto drive you about. It all began with the military, as it does with most scientific advances. For years, the military industrial complex in the United States has been funding the development of unmanned trucks. As a part of $1 million prize, it planned to run a competition in 2004 to construct a self-driving robot capable of traversing the Mojave Desert. The best performance was only several miles long, therefore the results weren't outstanding. The self-driving automobile was born as a result of the incident. Google's self-driving car project began in 2009. They were able to create a system that could navigate some of California's most difficult routes without the assistance of person in just over a year. For its part, the electric car company Tesla added automated capabilities like blind spot recognition and automatic braking to its vehicles. As a pioneer in the field of electric automobiles, Tesla has established itself as a household name. Autopilot, a cutting-edge artificial intelligence system, has piqued the interest of many die-hard auto fanatics. As a result, Tesla has employed consumer datasets for data analytics in order to do better anticipate and acquire information about client needs. Unsupervised machine learning is the foundation of Tesla's current AI technologies. AI features in Tesla vehicles, AI integrated chips. Car will be able to negotiate motorways and even traffic thanks to Tesla's plan to develop AI integrated circuits. Each Tesla chip has a circuit of around 6 billion transistors. Compared to NVIDIA's original chips, Tesla's Tesla chips are 21 times faster and 20% cheaper. They have 32 megabytes of high-speed RAM memory on the chip, which makes data retrieval much faster and easier than with RAM. Autopilot. Cars equipped with autopilot functions are able to drive, accelerate, and brake themselves in the lane. Tesla's autopilot, which incorporates traffic-aware cruise control and auto steer, has been standard on all new cars since 2016. When it comes to autopilot's working, it is based on neural networks. The vehicle's surroundings are monitored with the help of cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and radar. In a matter of milliseconds, sensors and cameras provide drivers with an awareness of their surroundings, which is then processed to make driving safer and less stressful. Radar is a technology that allows drivers to see and calculate the distance around them in all kinds of lighting conditions, including daylight and darkness. Objects in the immediate vicinity of the vehicle can detect, and the driver's safety is ensured using ultrasonic techniques and passive video. The autopilot feature, on the other hand, is designed to aid the driver and does not make Tesla a self-driving vehicle. In order to keep their hands on the vehicle, drivers are regularly reminded. In the event that you don't, a series of alerts will sound urging you to take control of the vehicle. If ignored any longer, the vehicle will eventually come to halt. When an autopilot feature is activated, drivers can always deactivate it by steering, braking, or using the cruise control button. Other features in Tesla cars: AI chips. A Tesla AI chip features an extremely quick processor. It can conduct 36 trillion operations per second at a frequency of 2 GHz. 360-degree visualization. Using a neural network, Tesla cars analyze 8 cameras. 360-degree visibility is provided at distance of up to 250 meters. These cameras provide drivers a better sense of what's going on around them since they provide a variety of viewpoints. Ultrasonic sensors have been improved to detect both hard and soft objects around the vehicle, allowing the driver to see more clearly. Tesla has made it a priority to produce cars that are fast, distinctively styled, and loaded with the most up-to-date technology available for the highest level of security, safety, and comfort. In the end, it can be said that Tesla has emerged as a prominent AI-based automotive company in a pool of automakers. Let us know your views on this video in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Learnbay channel.